Some of you have been asking for this, so here we go. This is the Google Pixel 7. It was sent to me by iDealz. In this video, let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and let's get started with today's video. So here I have the Pixel 7 in the Obsidian color. This is the box of the Pixel 7. At the front we have the Google logo, Pixel text, and a picture of the back of the phone as well. On the sides it says Google and Pixel 7, and at the back it gives a brief on the specs, and at the bottom of the box we have the serial number, model number, and all of those details. As you can see, this is a sealed unit, so at the back there are two pull cords, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and unbox the Google Pixel 7 for the very first time. So lifting the case up, we can see the Pixel 7 shining in this obsidian color. For most of you, it's the black color version. There's also a snow white color version and a lemongrass green color version available in the Pixel 7. I'm gonna keep the device to the side for just a sec to show you guys what comes inside the box. So we get the usual leaflets and the documentation along with the SIM ejector tool, and then we get the USB Type-C cable that is included in the box, and also there is a Type-C to USB-A adapter included in the box as well. It's nice to see that the front of the Pixel 7's box have been perfectly cut to fit the camera of the Pixel 7, so that's something that I noticed over here. With that done, now let me turn it on by hitting on the power button. We get the Google logo and it says powered by Android, and just like that, after a couple of seconds, now we are booted into the device and it says welcome to your Pixel. Here we have to select the country and then we can get started. Now let me quickly show you guys the initial setup of the device. So first step is to add a SIM, but I'm gonna skip that and then connect to my Wi-Fi network. Now it says getting your phone ready, so we have to be patient for a little bit for the device to get ready. While this is going on, let me actually go ahead and add this cover that I got. So this is actually a black matte cover that I got. Because the Pixel 7 is made out of glass, I think this is a very good idea. The glass back of the Pixel 7 looks very stylish though, so that's pretty awesome. Once the network connection is sorted out, it asks you whether you want to copy your apps and data, so I can go ahead and select whichever option. So I'm gonna say don't copy at the moment, and then we have to connect to our Google account. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and connect to my Google account, and once that is done, we can go ahead and enable backing up to Google One. So I'm doing that right now, and then we can set a pin, and also this is the part where we are going to be setting up the in-display fingerprint scanner on the Pixel 7. Very useful thing to do. So once that is done, the next step is to go ahead and set up face unlock on the Pixel 7. So that's also a good thing to have here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I can also enable the Google Assistant, so I've done all of that, and once all of those little things are done, now the device says all set, you're ready to start using your phone. So I'm pretty excited, so I'm gonna go ahead and swipe up, and just like that, now we are in the Google Pixel 7. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and load up a video to see how well the Pixel 7 does. So I'm playing my latest video. Looks pretty good, sounds pretty great as well. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the camera and see. I'm gonna snap a quick picture. Yes, it looks pretty nice, so pretty solid. Now I'm gonna go ahead into the settings area and check for the updates, because there have been a couple of updates that have been available for the Pixel 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these updates and get started with my testing of the Pixel 7. So yeah, this is the Pixel 7. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and the initial setup. I just wanted to bring you guys this video as the first video. Once this is done, I'm gonna be bringing you guys more videos, stuff like the tips of the Pixel 7, the camera video, and also my full review of the Google Pixel 7 after using it for a couple of days. Let me tell you whether you need to go ahead and spend your hard-earned money on this smartphone from Google. If there's anything about the Pixel 7 you guys need to clarify, go ahead and drop a comment down below. If there's anyone that you know who wants to get a Pixel 7, send this video to them. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and check out my social media channels for tips videos on the Google Pixel 7 as well. With all of that being said guys, until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.